Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another event listeners, that is on error and also on progress. If you try to see new XML HTTP request, so this is our request object, right? So if you try to open this request object, and in this request object, we have learned about this onload and also on ready state change. Also, we have learned it. We have learned about the ready state and also the response text property. So now we have another type that is nothing but onload, onloadend, and also on progress. We'll try to learn about these three. So now on error. So when this on error event listener will be filed. So when you get any error in the file, when you have any error in the file, so not file in the Ajax request or anything, then this on error will be filed. So this on error is an event listener. So we need to add a callback listener for this one. So how we can add it? Let's try to see. So here this is our main.html file, and here I will be writing xhr.onerror is equal to, so here you can write console.log error occurred in the Ajax request. Okay, please try again or something like this. So some message I am trying to file. So this is the message that we want to file. So here if you try to see the output, if I refresh this page and if I click on this change content, so here we are able to see, hi Leela, this is an Ajax text. So we are able to get it from the Ajax from the third party file, and we are able to see the console. There is no error message showing here. That means on error event listener has not been filed. Why? Because it is normally loading without any problem. We got the 200 status code, so without any problem it is working. But now let's try to see. I'm trying to change the file name, which is not available. So that means this is an error. So we are not able to see this file, right? So we are not able to fetch the details from this file. So let's try to see. If I refresh this file and if I click on the change content, so we got the problem and it is showing that some problem has occurred, but this on error event listener has not been found this time also. So the file has got some problem. So there is an error in the Ajax request, but still this on error is not getting filed. So when this on error file will be filed is, when this on error event listener will be filed is, when there is a network issue. Okay, so when there is a network issue, when there is internet is down, when your DNS lookup failed, when the request the browser can't able to make it out. So in those type of things, the on error event listener will be filed. I will try to show you the example. For example, let's open it in the file explorer. This time I'm opening this file in a Chrome with a file protocol, not HTTP protocol. So here this is the file protocol I am trying to open it. Now in the inspect element console, so this time I will try to click on the change content. If I click on this change content, see now this on error has been filed. Error occurred in the Ajax request, please try again. So this is what the text that we have mentioned it here in the console.log. So this time on error has been filed. Why? Because on error is fine. Ajax calling of the Ajax call does not work on the file protocol. It works on the HTTP. So it needs to have a live server. So that is the reason you got a CORS error. We'll try to learn about this CORS error and all those things. Cross origin policy, single origin policy. These all things we'll try to learn it. But please be with me that now we are able to show this on error. So now we are able to show this on error. So this is the place where this on error exactly it will be firing. So this is about the on error thing. And also we have another event listener that is on progress. So for example, if you are trying to upload a file, or if you are trying to upload a data, sorry, not uploading you'll see afterwards in the next video. So if you are trying to download the response from the server, so it is taking so much of time means, so we need to show something to the user, some progress bar or something like that. So showing the progress bar or something like that gives you some user friendly. So how we can show this one is, so by using this xhr.onprogress. So this is the progress. So this is an event. So it will have an parameter event, and let's console this one event. If I console this event thing, and if I see this output, so now URL is correct. Okay, fine. Let's go into here. And if I refresh this page, not file protocol, we need to go to this live server. So if I refresh this page and I click on the change content, see what is happening here. We are able to see one progress event. So one event we are able to get it. In this one is automatically generated by the browser. So this is called automatically by the browser, and each browser has a definite specific of time, so when it will be calling. So we cannot estimate that one. And here we will be having two properties are very much important. That is, one is loaded and another is a total. So it is having a total bytes of 20 and within frames of seconds. So the loaded is also 20. For example, let's say that we are having lots of content like lorem ipsum or anything. Let's take it. So I will be copying this one all and I will paste it in this one. Okay, I am pasting in this one, very big content. I will paste it. So I am pasting this one. Again, I will copy it and again I will paste it. So I am taking such a huge content. This is such a huge content. Now what I will try to do is, so let's save it. So it has been saved it. Yeah. So now this time I will call this message.txt. It has such a huge content. Let's see what will happen. So now if you try to see here, refresh this page. Okay. And I will click on the change content. This time, see, you'll be able to see 3 progress events has been filed. So there are 3 progress events that has been filed. First time, the total bytes you are having is some around 9 lakhs or 90 lakhs, something like that. And it has loaded only the 1 lakh. And here we are having something around 9 lakhs. So second time it has loaded something around 64 lakhs or something like this. And here you will be having this last one is it has loaded completely. So here we can add the load progress symbol or anything, something like that. So here what we can do, so some people what they will be trying to do is, so they can show 100%, so loaded 30% of 100%, so downloaded 100%, sorry 60% of 100%, like this we can add it. So I will try to show you that scenario also. For example, let's say that here let loaded is equal to event.loaded, we got the loaded, and let total is equal to event.total. Okay, so these are the total things. And here let percent loaded, you can use the constant also, not a problem. You can use loaded by total into 100, and I can use into 100 if you want. So you can keep it like this, and you can keep dot to fixed of 2 so that you can get only 2 decimal parts. Okay, so this is the percentage loaded, and here I can use console.log downloaded what I can say plus percent loaded plus, and I can say percentage of 100%. So this is the message which I want to say. So downloaded this much percentage of 100%, total of total 100%. You can use it like this. So whichever you want, you can mention the name. So this is how we can show the progress bar. So now if I try to show you, you can have a pretty cool UI design and you can do it. Just I am trying to do the console. So if I click on this one, refresh, and I click here, see downloaded 2% and last its download is 100%. If you try to refresh this page again, and here you can have so 3% and 100% like this. So this is how you can show the percentage also. So like this we will be having, and afterwards this all the progress is finished and this load is also finished. Then you will be having another method that is nothing but XHR onloadend. So this event listener will be fired when all the progress events are fired. So when all these progress events, complete progress events by the browser, it is fired completely, and there is no progress event remaining, means then this onloadend will fire. So here you can write completely downloaded, like this. You can use completed completed download, okay, or otherwise completed download. You can have anything. So if I try to refresh this page and if I click on this check content, see, you'll be able to see completed download after this one. So you'll be able to see the message also. It is taking some time to render the image, render the text, but here like this you'll be having. So this is what about the on progress, on error, and also the onloaded event listener functionality. Hope you understood about these event listeners, these things. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.